Want to know how to search for everything in Wellfound? So in Wellfound, you can search for profiles, jobs, and applications and much more. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So once I've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once I've logged in, you should be under this interface right here, and now you should be under home by default. So if you want to search everything, you should be at home, but if you want to search jobs or applications or discover startups and more, you can just simply head towards each of them on the left side. So since we are searching everything, on the top you should be seeing this search bar right here, that should be right beside notifications. So you can just simply select that. So this will search everything. So you can just simply search for any job that you like, any startup, anything, as you can see right here. So if when you search for it, it should show up your jobs, startups, peoples, and much more. As you can see, you can choose it from right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.